你好，我是雪莲。Hello, nice to meet you. I'm Jane, a native Chinese speaker living in Shenzhen, China. I was a teacher in pre-Apply from last year. I graduated from Wuhan University of Technology. Japanese is my second foreign language. I have 5 years experience of teaching and 15 years of experience in overseas project development. My students include kids and adults, really love having lessons with them. For the very beginner, I developed a 10-lesson course to teach all the pinyin. For students with basic, a full set of HSK level 1 to 6 textbooks for your systematic learning. If you want to improve your conversation skill, I have a lot of interesting topics. I have rich experience in traveling and business. I can tailor a course according to your requirement. In my lesson, you feel very happy and relaxed. There are many methods for your lesson, such as pictures, stories, videos. I made short videos for each lesson to current students. It is helpful for them to review in spare time. Moreover, you can learn a lot of fresh words which are not in the textbook. I can show words we use in our WeChat, TikTok, and shopping online. If you like me, please come and join my class soon.